Hi, this is Logan Thurm, and this will be the first video for the final presentation. My game is Beach Hero, and so my character, as you can see here, his name's Bo, and he's got two weapon types. He's got a volleyball and he's got a beach ball. So there's the beach ball, and then there's the volleyball. The beach ball is a bit slower, but you can sit here and you can spam it pretty much all you would like. And the volleyball, you have a bit bigger explosion radius on it, and it travels a bit faster. Okay. And one guy spawned right on top of me, so I'll rerun it. As you can see, you can use the weapon types to hit the adults or the kids, which kids are what looks like a little girl to me. But as you can see, I can sit here and I can smash the right click button as much as I want. It only fires every once in a while because it's on a cooldown to keep you from doing what a person would with, like, say, the beach ball, which is, spam it a half a dozen times in a second. But I can sit here and I don't know if you can hear, but I can smash the button a bunch.